This is test footage number 1 on the new lens, and this shit is looking amazing. Holy shit. I know I said in one of my last videos that I wanted to take some time and really start pumping out some quality content, so I spent the last couple weeks stocking up on parts, and we have a full transformation coming for this car. I'm so incredibly excited to finally be able to turn this car into what I envision it in my head. I've got more parts in mind for later builds, but what I've got right now is gonna make the car already just look 10 times better than it does. I've got stuff for the exterior, interior, and I'm so excited to show you guys what we've got planned. I'm excited to see what it looks like, honestly, because I have no idea how this combination of parts is gonna go together. They've come from all over the place, such as Webby's, Colorado N5X, things like eBay, things like my buddy's cars that have crashed, rest in peace to the M5, and I'm just so hyped to see what this car is gonna look like. It is actually ridiculous to have all these boxes just sitting in my room for this long, and I'm very excited to also get them out of my room because, you know, sometimes you need some space. What's up, homie? One thing that's been sort of a hindrance lately is California's had the most insane winter storm I think I've ever seen while living here. We've had snow in places we've never had snow before. We've had floods like we've never seen, and it's been insane. So I'm excited after this next week when the rain, hopefully, cross our fingers, subsides a little bit. We'll get to put all these parts on and see what she's gonna look like. I appreciate all the positive feedback that I got on the last video of just kind of stating my mind on things. It really means a lot, and I'm just so excited to keep going, to keep doing what I love, and to make amazing content. And with that, stay tuned. Maybe next video, maybe not next video, but we will be getting these parts installed as soon as I possibly can, because we want to make this race car an actual race car. Peace out.
Where is that?
Today, we're driving the Honda and the European and the American cars down Skyline Boulevard off a cliff.
No, it is up here. I think it's 35. Yeah.
Oh, hi, sorry, my bad. That was just something I do. We're in and out, and we need a bunch of, where are we going? Man, we're going hella far. Hey, yo,
We're in Mexico.
Is the racial profiling still going on?
Don't film me.
Bro, we got Brayden addicted.